This is how you can remove excessive sweating naturally, drug-free and needle-free.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to naturally, drug-free and needle-free get rid of excessive sweating. So excessive sweating can be so demonizing, it can be so embarrassing for a lot of people, and it really shouldn't be embarrassing because it is a natural process. But I do get emails and messages all the time from girls who just feel so embarrassed because they might have a condition called hyperhidrosis. Now, what is hyperhidrosis? It is actually a condition where you sweat excessively. So if you're not in heat, or you're not exercising, or you're not doing anything that should be causing sweating, but you're still sweating a lot, that is hyperhidrosis. So a lot of people would sweat excessively on their hands. They could be sweating on their feet, or the most common is your underarms. And I don't think it's that embarrassing for men, but I mostly get questions from ladies and girls and just on how you can treat it. So today I'm sharing a method which has actually worked for my husband, and I've never had the condition, but my husband was sweating so excessively in his armpits and we were like, let's do something about this. Dry is an innovative anti-sweat device, and the best thing is that you pretty much use tap water to use this device. So I know it can sound a bit scary because you're like, is this a medical device? Can I use this at home? How do you use it? And all of that. So I will actually explain that in a minute. But the best thing for me, which actually got me to I was sold instantly, was that all you need is tap water to use this. And even though I am a pharmacist, I really believe that you don't need medication or drugs or needles for treating every single condition. I really do feel passionate about natural procedures, and this one uses tap water to do an iontophoresis procedure. So what is iontophoresis? So iontophoresis works by directing a current through the skin. So what it does is it actually neutralizes the connection between nerves and the sweat glands, and the current that creates from the water, it actually inhibits the sweat production in the area. So when I opened the box, I had these little blue square little foamy things. Those are for the armpits, and then you've got the plate with the towels, and those are for your hands or your feet. So one treatment is about 15 minutes for the underarm and about 20 minutes for the hand and the feet, and it is just so chill. It's like doing a facial. You can just sit in front of your TV and you could just do your treatment and do your procedure. The best thing is you can do it morning and night, and the success rate, which is what made me get this device in the first place, is about 90 to 100%. So you will feel dry within the first 2 weeks, and it is just so good because I know that a lot of people, they feel emotionally debilitating from sweating too much, or they feel embarrassed, and I don't think there's anything as important as feeling confident in your own skin. So you can actually do 5 treatments a week during the initial phase, and then once you get your desired dryness, when you're not that sweaty, you can pretty much cut it down according to yourself. Up to 4 weeks, you will pretty much see that a lot of your body it's dry. So that is my experience with the Dermadry. We saw results within the first 2 weeks, and it doesn't really feel like anything. It's really quick. You can plug it in, and it is so small as well, guys. It's like a tiny little briefcase. The actual box is tiny. When I was ordering it, I thought I was gonna get this huge machine medical device, but no, it is tiny, it is compact. No one will even know that it is there. It's just so small, and it is totally worth it. So if you guys are suffering from this condition, definitely do check out the website And also, if you're looking for a natural deodorant, I actually shared a recipe not too long ago, so I will link that below as well. And also, if you have problems sweating on your face a lot, I have a full tutorial on that as well, so I will actually link that below and up here as well, so you guys can click that to watch that video. And on that note, I'm gonna sign out. So all the products that I've mentioned, they will be in the description box. You can definitely go to the Dermadry website, you can check their website out. And on that note, I'm gonna say goodbye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.